Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 Harris Solstice 250. As you can see, this model comes equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. Really stout motor. Pushes this boat along more than efficient. Can pull skiers, go down the lake nice and fast. Pretty much an all-around motor that can do just about everything. You see here we got a stainless steel 3-blade prop. Best thing for this motor, gives it a nice punch out of the hole and nice durability. Coming to the fencing on this model, it comes in champagne, which is a beautiful color. Really brings out just the different accents in this boat. Matches with the aluminum rail fencing, and it has a silver metallic inlay here just to switch up the colors, and it gives it a real nice look. As you guys can see, the lifting strikes on this boat are very sturdy, provide excellent handling and great planing for this boat. Makes it very agile, just a super comfortable ride. All right, let's go take a look on the inside. Starting here at the back, we have an extended swim platform. So this gives you extra move around room. Extends the platform to about midway to the motor. Just gives you a whole lot more walk around room. Also comes equipped with our stainless steel safety rails, making it legal and safe for you to ride on this beautiful sun pad back here to enhance your viewing experience. This boat, let me wait for him to. As you can see on this boat, there is plenty of storage. This is a fiberglass back that it has to it, very durable, provides plenty of space with a reversible sun pad here. You can either have it after forward facing, and you can have this drop all the way down if you want to look at the bow or the stern of the boat. You got an included cooler that's self-draining. If you don't want to have a onboard cooler, this just makes it really convenient. One less thing to lug around. As you can see, we have plenty of cup holders, power outlets for anybody that has their phone, and a JL audio receiver to control all the radio functions. Moving towards the cockpit area here. Again, more storage underneath. This boat has more storage all around. You have a dual battery setup here with a battery switch. Just a little extra insurance for you when you're out on the water. It's always great to have an extra battery on hand. And on this seating platform, you have a dual helm seat. Now, this is a super popular option that we have. These are very comfortable seats. Still provides a real nice open floor plan. You're not going to stub your toes on anything or run into anything. These are fully adjustable seats where you have the back adjusts, the armrests fold down, and it swivels 360 degrees. Coming over to the helm here, you can notice that this is actually raised up. Now, why would it be raised up? It makes it just a whole lot better for the driver himself to just view what's going on. It's actually sitting higher than the seats are, so you don't have to take a peek up higher. You're already at the nice, comfortable position you should be at. On this model, we have a Simrad Go9 chart plotter. Now, this is great on this boat because it just provides a whole lot of viewing for your GPS functions. But you also have your analog gauges still integrated here for anybody that has a hard time seeing. You have all your toggle switches right here on the display. Your RGB color changing cup holders. And if you notice, the speakers, they also color change directly with the cup holders and the under seat lighting. Just a really awesome, neat feature on this boat. Gives it that nice, rich, aesthetic look. We have an upgraded steering wheel on this model. Real premium stitched leather steering wheel with a stainless steel center. And then we also have a digital throttle powering our 300 horsepower Mercury. Makes for seamless shifting and operability. Now, you also have a docking mode. This limits the amount of throttle you can give that motor just to make it a little easier, a little less jolting action while you're docking. Now we also have a premium JL Audio head unit. JL Audio is one of the best in the business. Super crisp, clean sound, and very user-friendly. This boat is equipped with 8 speakers all around, 2 being in the bow area, 2 more being in the center cockpit area here, 1 next to both of our captain's chairs, 2 forward-facing on our sun lounger here, and then we have 2 more rear-facing for anybody sitting out here on the lounger or even out on the water. Plenty of sound, plenty of power to travel across the water, so anybody around the boat can hear. Cool thing about our Solstice models in 2020, the helm lifts up for easy access to all your electronics, also providing more additional storage. Moving up to our bow area here, again, more storage with our changing room door area. A changing room could be added onto this door, creating a canvas area for you to change. Most people just use it for storage, whether it's a cooler or a safety bag. Moving up towards the bow area, more armrests. Make sure that everybody in the bow is nice and comfortable with integrated stainless steel cup holders. And one thing I want you guys to notice as we're walking around here, the centers of the seats, the centers of the runners along the seats are all cross-stitched in a really nice vinyl material, giving a nice, rich, crisp feel. This being a 25-footer, your bow storage is really increased. Super expansive room in here, all self-bailing. Of course, plenty of cup holders, more cup holders all around to keep the family nice and happy. You got electrical outlet hookups right there via USB. Again, more additional storage here in the bow. This boat is plenty equipped for a full day out on the water or even a full weekend out on the water. All right, guys. My name is Connor Marr at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If this is a vessel you'd like to hear more about, please contact us. Thank you so much for watching.